Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, September 6th, 2018, opening weekend of football, and I've got my Eagles on. Go Birds. Anyway, we're here to discuss Hurricane Florence, which has got a little bit weaker overnight since we've got some shear going on. But it is moving to the northwest and is expected to turn more to the northwest here after Sunday. So the next 3 days, fairly steady state, where things go a little bit off in terms of forecast accuracy, in terms of what I'm seeing, is this trek toward the northwest here. And that's all tied to this upper trough that's going to be over here in the North Atlantic. Some models are weaker with it, some are stronger. The stronger ones actually pull the storm north and put it in position off the Carolina and New Jersey coast, and by the early to middle part of next week. Some are weaker with this upper level trough, and then thus the track more towards the Carolinas. So we are no clearer to our solution today than we were, say, 24 hours ago. And here we see the Euro ensemble spreads here showing that Carolina risk with this weaker upper trough, which is different than the, let's say, the GFS look here, which is stronger with the trough, and then thus more tracks off the east coast. So again, this is hour 144. That's what that indication there, not a strength. It's hour 144. So that's a good 5 to 6 days out. So we're talking next Tuesday here. But what we do know is we are likely looking at a system somewhere off the east coast Tuesday of next week, which means rip tides will be up, strong waves building. But again, direct impacts, I'm not clear yet. There are equal number of chances of out to sea as there are close to the coast. And my lean right now is a little bit staying offshore. I don't see enough evidence to come inland just yet. But again, it's going to be all tied to this upper trough here in the northern Atlantic, if that's strong enough and deep enough. And we'll get resolution on that probably by Saturday, if not sooner. But I think by Saturday we will know an end game solution for Florence. It is expected to re-strengthen once it gets into this area right here. There's more ridging aloft and the warmer SSTAs, warmer surface to ocean temperatures. So we should be able to get going with back to a Category 3-4 easily once we get into this area here. So we're looking at a Category 3/4 off the East Coast somewhere. Whether it impacts the U.S., any forecast that says, oh, it's coming to South Carolina, oh, it's coming to New Jersey, oh, it's coming, don't listen to that crap. It's not right. It's not fair to you, to the consumer. I'm just telling you there's not enough evidence right now to say it's going to make landfall or turn out to sea. And right now, I think the best forecast is we're looking at a hurricane off the East Coast early next week. That's the best I can give you right now, and I'm being bluntly honest. Don't follow anybody who is giving you tracks and paths to certain cities and locations and damage paths. This is where chaos on social media starts kicking in. Stay with me. Stay sane. And go Birds.